Brands can make lists of influencers who suit better for brand's prospective campaign agenda. Click on Influencer. Click on List. Click on New List. Name your list. Once you do that, click on Influencer and then click on Add Channel. This will take you to the database of influencers. You can use filters to define your search parameters. And once you have defined your search parameters, click on Show Results. This will give you the suitable influencers registered on the platform. Select the influencers, and once you click OK, now these influencers will be added to your previously created education list.